He is in my bed, and he will not get out. He's cuddling with that guy who is sitting at the bed, and that guy. He's chilling with my buddy Elf, and that one. And that's gonna be scary because I'm sleeping in here tonight. And there. If I sleep right under him, that dude right there, shout out to the person who put on Alabama to him. I'm sleeping. I always sleep right there, right below him. He's just chilling. So he's tired. So bye-bye. I want y'all to go down, hit that subscribe button, turn the notifications on. And Mama's phone will go ding ding every time we upload. Bye.